Here's a chance for you to show that you know how to match the subject and the verb so that they agree. Here are your directions. Subject-verb agreement. Read the sentences and choose the correct verb to agree with the subject. Number 1, Jace blank his snack. Now you have two choices. Is it Jace eat his snack or Jace eats his snack? Once you make your decision, open up the close reading response notes, and then you're going to click right beside the number 1 and write the verb that you chose. Type it right into the box. Don't forget to click on the cloud to save your response. You're going to do that for each of these 3 sentences to show that you know how to make your subject and your verb agree.